Install mortise. Secure screws according to the door material. Install cylinder. Cut cylinder transmission bar to appropriate position according to the door thickness. And secure screws. Install front panel. Screw connecting pipe to front panel. Pass square bar through square rod hole of mortise. Pass front panel power cord through door. And then through base plate of back panel. Install the rear panel. Install the rear panel base plate. Secure base plate of back panel by screws. Making sure square rod hole and cylinder hole are centered. The sides are parallel to door frame. Install back panel. Take off the battery compartment. Plug power cord in right way. Cylinder transmission strip and deadbolt knob to corresponding holes and install. Fix the rear panel with screws. Install lithium battery. Installation finished. Test unlocking with face, fingerprint, password, and card. Test mechanical key open with no abnormalities.